Brad Bisnet from Cole Publishing here with Jody from Vac-Con. And Jody, we got the Mudslinger. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, absolutely. This is our Mudslinger. It's a hydroexcavation trailer, but don't make a mistake now. It's used in the hydro market. It can handle any hydroexcavation project you have.
Okay.
But it's also used with sewer and stormwater just because of the versatility of the machine.
Okay.
As you'll see, this is our 845 gallon unit we use, MS800. One of the most well-built units you're going to find.
Incredibly robust.
Oh, it's unbelievable. It's tubular steel frame, dually styled wheels, 10,000 pound axles. But the great thing, you can go in there and show somebody how to use this machine, and in 5 minutes they're gonna feel comfortable with it. It's that simple.
Fantastic. It sounds like I could even use it.
You could use it. It was that easy. It was absolutely that easy. So many people use our machines, and crews change all the time. So if you can make a machine that's really well built and it's gonna handle the day-to-day stuff that it's gonna face, but you can also go in and teach somebody to use it really quickly and feel confident that they can run it without hurting themselves or something, then that's a win at the end of the day.
Sure, yeah. Employee safety, builds confidence.
Absolutely,
makes people more productive.
Absolutely, and you got all kinds of options with it.
Okay.
I mean, every unit's going to come with a tethered remote, but we can do a wireless remote.
Okay, awesome.
We got
Good to
boom
know.
remotes, powered booms. We got all kinds of things we can do with this unit. We can build it as the customer needs for their job.
All kinds of options.
Absolutely.
Where can somebody go for more information on the Mudslinger?
They can go to the Vac-Con website, which is www.vaccon.com.
Okay, awesome, Jody. Thank you very much.
Thank you.